Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today, we will discuss some interesting kitchen tools. Before watching this video, subscribe to the channel as soon as possible and click on the bell icon to watch new videos first. Discover the best kitchen gadgets and tools on Amazon that make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or a pro chef, these kitchen essentials are must-haves for every modern home. Upgrade your kitchen today with the most useful gadgets and tools available on Amazon. So let's see what products are on the list in this video. Cheese grater. Effortless grating. Designed for ease of use, the cheese grater's ergonomic handle and smooth hand crank make grating hard cheeses like Parmesan quick and effortless. 2 interchangeable drums. The cheese grater comes with interchangeable fine and coarse drums, providing versatile grating options for finely grated hard Parmesan or coarsely grated softer cheese like mozzarella. Restaurant quality performance. Inspired by the popular Olive Garden cheese grater, this grater delivers the same professional grade results, perfect for home kitchens or dining experiences. Electric pepper grinder. Adjustable coarseness pepper grinder. Easily twist the knob to achieve your desired level of coarseness. Our salt and pepper shaker's set features 5 adjustable levels, effortlessly meeting diverse cooking demands and helping you create richly flavored dishes for family. Battery-powered one-button operation. The salt and pepper grinder set is battery-powered and requires 4 AAA batteries, not included. Effortlessly grind your spices by simply pressing the switch. Release it to stop, allowing you to control amounts of salt or pepper while cooking. Built-in bright light. Our handy salt and pepper shaker's set features a built-in bright light, providing clarity to check the size of your spice particles, even in dim environments. Enjoy effortless grinding adjustments with enhanced visibility, preventing excessive seasoning in your dishes. Potato ricer. Mashing potatoes made easy. Don't you wish you can create perfectly smooth and fluffy mashed potato with less effort? With our Priority Chef Ricer Masher kitchen tool, you can achieve a creamy, heavenly dish quickly and conveniently. Simply squeeze on the long handle of our potato press for perfect mash. Large deep basket for quicker ricing. Holding a max capacity of 15 ounces, 3 mm ricer holes, you will have your mashed potatoes prepared quicker yet finer output than using other kitchen gadgets. You can also use it for other veggies like soft carrots, turnips, yams, and even use a baby food masher. Anti-slip, cushioned long handles for easy leverage. Our potato ricer's long, easy grip silicone handle allow comfortable leverage while you mash, rice, and mill. No more sore or tired arms, just perfect results, every time. Easy cleanup, top rack dishwasher safe. Crafted from 100% rust-proof materials, the Priority Chef Potato Ricer is resistant to stains, corrosion, and deformation. Y-peeler. Single-edge straight blade. This Y-peeler features a single-edge straight blade constructed of tough, rust-resistant 420 stainless steel. It is perfect for peeling all fruits and vegetables, including soft-skin foods. Ergonomic handle for comfort. The handle is well-balanced and ergonomically designed for comfort and smooth operation during use. The glossy ABS handle features a debossed logo, as well as a satin chrome-plated bolster and end cap. Plastic guard included. The KitchenAid Y-peeler comes with a protective plastic blade cover. Dishwasher safe. This Y-peeler is dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Food storage container. Largest glass container with airtight locking and handle lid. Quality design, 220 ounces / 6,500 ml / 28 cups. Glass container with locking lid is the largest you will find with locking lid. Razab uses premium grade material to bring you industrial and restaurant grade glass to your home kitchen. Airtight leak proof. Multipurpose can be used as bakeware or for storage. The perfect solution to bake your lasagna for lunch or meat/chicken for dinner and store them as well. Silicone-sealed BPA-free plastic lids. Plastic lid is not microwave or oven safe. Leak-proof storage. Container is easily sealed, airtight, and spill-proof. Square glass food container. Keep leftovers fresh. Goes straight from the refrigerator to the microwave or oven to the table. Food can be cooked directly in the container using microwave or oven.